Hello, it's 9 o'clock, November 22nd, 2020. Welcome to the weather update, and you'll see that we do have some rain developing across our area. Luckily, we didn't have any rain during the day. It was just kind of cloudy and dark and dreary, but now we're starting to see the rain pop up, and we're going to start seeing more of that as time goes on. Looking at the current conditions out there, Central Park reporting 55 and light rain. Farmingdale also reporting 55. It's kind of windy too. East wind at 17, gusting to 28. Humidity starting to rise. We have a warm front approaching the area. Again, if we look at the wider view of the radar, you'll be able to see what's coming our way, and that's this frontal system right here. There's a cold front here with it. Let's get another view of it. You'll be able to see. There's that cold front as it's stretching across and moving eastward. Luckily, it's not going to stall out. It is going to keep moving, luckily, which is good news for us. Very good news. Plenty of clouds around, of course. Plenty of clouds. And we're going to be dealing with those clouds for a little while here. And again, there's that rain that we're going to be dealing with. Let me go to the weather and hazards viewer, and that's the radar. It's not what I want. Weather and hazards viewer. So let's do that to get an idea of where the temperatures are at and what's going to be happening. Of course, the area. You can see some of these observations here, and it was kind of a coolish day. Temperatures generally in the low 50s. It's actually, the temperatures are rising now, and you can see some of these winds gusting, a little breezy out there. Let me throw in the dew points so you can get an idea of the humidity rising. So dew points are already starting to rise. You see, after dew points were in the 40s for most of the day, we're now seeing dew points rising into the 50s as well. If we go and we look at the observations, you'll see that earlier on today we had, if we go to Farmingdale, you'll see dew points were a lot lower earlier on in the day. So we dew points in the actually 30s, upper 30s, and then we kind of started rising through the day as the moisture is coming in, and as we're starting to see this warm front come into the area. If we look at the Weather Prediction Center, the WPC, you'll see there's that warm front located right to the south of us. That's going to move through tonight. So let's get the models, and we're going to take a look and see what is going to be happening with this system. And I guess we'll get started with our area first to show you what's going to be happening. So you can see we have this. Let me go to the HRRR because that's a better model to use. We'll look at the 0Z HRRR to get an idea. There's the rain developing across our area, and you'll see those. We'll have the showers on and off through the night, drizzle, and then the heavier rain comes in around, figure 6, 7, 8 o'clock. That's with the cold front there. See some showers there, and then the showers start moving away from west to east in the late morning hours, and by probably noon or afternoon it should start drying out. But I want to show you that the warm front, I want to show you the temperatures differences are. So again, you could see the warmer air off the south. Temperatures are going to increase throughout the night into the morning, probably maybe even reaching 60 by the morning before starting to drop in the afternoon as the cooler air moves in. Temperatures drop into the 40s, and by tomorrow night it's going to feel pretty chilly with temperatures in the mid to upper 30s. And you see we'll drop down into the probably mid 30s overnight for Monday night. But the other thing that you want to note also is the dew points as well, because the humidity will also be on the increase again with that southerly flow. That humidity gets pushed out of here with the cold front. Probably around 8, 9 o'clock, it's out of here, and the cooler, drier northwest winds come on in and sweep that out. So that's pretty much what it's looking like. I mean, we're going to have some rain. We're going to see how much rain we're going to get here. Total accumulated precip. We could see with these showers, possibly, some of them could be pretty heavy. We could see an inch or more of rain, possibly. Looks like it has the heavier rain over Long Island, so maybe it's going to get enhanced as it moves further east. That seems to be what the HRRR seems to be thinking. Let me look at the NAM here. That's not enough of that one. We have to use the 18Z. The NAM 12 kilometer. NAM does not have that enhancement at all. Oh, there it is. We have to move it along. Yep, same deal. So we're gonna get some heavy rain in the morning. That's what it looks like right now. Uh, Good downpours. Maybe even. I don't think we'll see a thunderstorm. I don't think we're gonna see a squall line develop like we did last time. Um, but it's possible that we could see that. Let me. What I want to look at. This one doesn't have it. I don't think the NAM has it. Does it have it? Yes, it does. Or FGen. This is what we all use here to determine this. There is some decent FGen going on, not like the last one, but there is decent. You can see that enhancement there. This is frontogenesis, and which is going to contribute to some rainfall enhancement. Looks like east of the city. So from east of the city, looks like there'll be wind up being more rain, perhaps more heavy rain from this. So let me go back to the GFS here. Well, we can also look at the same parameter on the GFS as well. And you will see here, again, similar idea here with that rain. It won't be like what we had with that last cold front with the severe weather. I don't think we'll see any severe weather, but it's going to be heavy rain. That's what we'll see. It looks like. For the main thread is going to be heavy rain, possible flash flooding, and things like that. So once we're done with that, temperatures drop, and Tuesday we're gonna have a nice day, a little bit below normal, highs in the mid to upper 40s, and then we start seeing that recovery on Wednesday. Here we go, warming up to 50 again, and then a very warm Thanksgiving. Temperatures could be 60 degrees or higher, and you still see kind of just hanging on to above normal here, and then another real warm up overnight. It looks like that could be a significant warm up there. Maybe somebody even hitting 70 on that overnight stretch there. It's like having a very big southerly flow coming in there, and then it cools down again. That's a ways away, though. That's over a week away, so I'm not going to really focus too much on that. This is more about the short range here. Let me go look at the skies. So obviously we're going to have the clouds around, but we do get rid of them by probably later in the afternoon. Clear out. Should be a nice sunny day on Tuesday, and then we're going to be dealing with plenty of clouds again. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, probably plenty of clouds around. I'm not going to go beyond that on the skies. We will look at the NAM, 3 kilometers as far as that goes as well. So you will see here that NAM seems to want to clear it out. Let's see, right around, right, this is noon. So by 1 o'clock, we should be clearing out across New Jersey, and then probably more like around 1, 2 o'clock on Long Island, and then we should have mostly sunny. And then here is Tuesday looking mostly sunny. It does seem to want to roll some cirrus in later in the afternoon perhaps, but the early part of the day should be mostly clear, so it should be good. I guess that's going to about do it for this weather update. Again, we got the rain, so that's the main thing that we're going to be dealing with tonight. With this cold front that's going to be approaching. It's just the rain, basically. Let me just use the 3 kilometer NAM and look at the radar signatures and see what it looks like on here, because this is higher resolution. You can see, see those reds. That's the cold front right there, and that's where you're going to have the heaviest rain, and it could really pour right around 7, 8 o'clock, come down real heavy. And then the rain should end over Long Island probably around 10, 11 o'clock. Start from west to east, and then we start drying out. So let me go ahead and look at the one other model, your Ventus Sky. And look at this with the cape and see what kind of cape we have here. I don't think we're going to have too much cape, but I'll just see, just for the sake, and I'll check the SPC as well, just to make sure we don't have any severe threats tomorrow. Very little cape, almost nothing. I can look at the lifted index. Alright, lifted index is kind of impressive. So this, I mean, I can't rule out the fact there could be a possible thunderstorm, perhaps. These lifted indexes are kind of impressive. So there could actually be a thunderstorm, perhaps. Let me look at the SPC, the Storm Prediction Center, and see what they have for our area tomorrow, if anything. They have a little. Yeah, where did that hazard map go? All right, so this is, yeah, it has the east end of Long Island and a thunderstorm risk. So it's possible, probably no severe thunderstorm, but there could be a thunderstorm. So don't be surprised if you do hear thunder with that when that cold front moves through. It is 2020, so you can expect the unexpected. Although we didn't have a thunderstorm with the last one, it could be a chance of a thunderstorm because the SPC does have, especially the further east of the city you go, because that's where some more of the juicy air is going to be. But that's going to wrap up this weather update. Take care, and thank you for watching.